for my gun. Marc, you're gonna get fucking shot!
On May 7th, 2025, just after 1 a.m., Marc Fogle's night took a deadly turn. After crashing into a row of parked cars in Clark County, Washington, deputies found him slurring, stumbling, and drunk behind the wheel. But as they tried to arrest him for DUI, Fogle had other plans, and this stop spiraled into something no one expected.
Maybe I'll make it through the night. I don't know.
It is 23:40. Marc, you're going to make it through the night, all right? This isn't as big a deal as you think it is. It's a mystery.
No, you have no idea.
Okay. Go ahead and open your mouth. I'm going to check your mouth. Is there anything inside you that's not put there by a doctor or dentist?
No.
Okay.
You have no idea. My life's fucking over.
Why do you say that?
You keep saying, look at my ID. I'm a CDL driver.
Okay.
So basically, my life's fucking over. Can't make a living.
Doesn't immediately mean that your life is over, Marc.
It is over. I'm done.
I have arrested CDL drivers before who have been able to turn around and make it through.
I'm fucking done.
Do you want to call another lawyer, yes or no?
How many lawyers do I have that option?
There's 14 on this list.
Alright, well.
Alright, well, yes. Alright, well, no.
Sure.
Sure. Okay.
I'm honestly, what's the matter? Like I said, I'm fucking done.
Alright, we're just gonna...
I'm a dead man. You're talking dead man.
You're not a dead man, Marc.
Yes, I am a dead man. Well, I'm not making it through the night. What fucking time is it?
It's midnight.
Thank you.
So are you gonna kill yourself, Marc?
Who knows?
Probably the only person would be you.
Yeah,
So
that's correct. Like I said, I keep telling you, I'm fucking done.
is there somebody I can call for you to talk to?
Fuck no. We're good. You know what's crazy? It's just you and me in this fucking room.
It's just you and me in this room, but this is a police station. There's plenty of troopers here.
Are there?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Did you not see me talking to the trooper when we first pulled up?
How many people are here in the room?
Are you trying to make threatening?
Fuck no.
No?
No.
Okay, then why are you saying things like that?
I don't know.
Okay, go ahead and stand up. Turn around, face away from me.
Sure. Are you sure?
Yeah, turn around, face away from me right now.
Are you fucking sure?
Boy, 73, I'm fighting with one.
Are you fucking sure?
Give me the air, he's reaching for my gun. Marc, you're gonna get fucking shot!
Yeah. That's what I want.
He's shot! Marc, get the fuck away from me! Get the fuck away from me, Marc!
I'm not looking to shoot you.
Marc!
Fuck. Gloves. Chest seals. Did that get out over there?
I don't know. I didn't hear it.
Boy 73, did you copy my traffic? Keep the air for me.
Probably gonna come with me.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna let you die, Mark. I'm not gonna let you die, Mark. You're gonna be okay, man. No, please, I'm dying. You're gonna be okay, Mark. You're gonna be okay. Look, man, you're not even bleeding that bad.
Despite their efforts to save him, CPR, medics, everything, they couldn't bring Marc Fogle back. He died at the hospital a short time later. One reckless choice, one violent struggle, and a man's life was over.